This is a 980 nanometers laser for removing red blood cells. It can remove the root shape and mesh-shaped red blood on the face on the spot, and the effect is immediate. This is the host. This is the foot switch. This is the power cord. Voltage is universal. This is an optical fiber hand tool. The optical fiber is afraid of breaking, it needs to be handled with care, and it is forbidden to pull it hard. The diameter of storage is not less than 10 centimeters. These are two treatment heads for removing red blood. The two are only different in shape. One STR height, the curved one can be selected according to personal habits. It can be unscrewed and tightened when replacing. This is the focusing ring used to adjust the size of the light spot 0.2 mm 3 mm. The thicker the focusing ring, the larger the light spot, used to remove thick red blood cells, and thin focusing ring to remove thin red blood cells. This is the laser glasses to be worn by the operator, ND. This is the eye mask to be worn by the customer. Connect the power cord to the power socket. Connect the foot wire to the foot socket. When connected, the machine can be switched on without adding water. There is no consumable material and no gel is needed. Now turn on. The instrument loads automatically into the main interface. The interface is very simple. There are 3 parameters in total. This is the power. This is the pulse width. This is the frequency. Click the plus dash button to adjust the parameters. Power value. When operating on the skin, if this value is too small, it will not work. If it is too large, it will burn and blister. Common range is 6-12 W. The pulse width is the time that the laser stays on the skin. The minimum is 15 milliseconds, and the maximum is 100 milliseconds. When operating on the skin, if the value is too small, it will not work, and if it is too large, the pain will increase and blistering will occur. The common range is 30-60 ms. Frequency is the speed, the number of lasers emitted per second. The minimum is 1 Hz and the maximum is 5 Hz. Usually 2 to 3 Hz is used. This value is related to the manipulation proficiency of the operator. When using slow frequency, the hand should move slowly, and when using fast frequency, UNC, the manipulation should move fast. Other parameters are simpler. This light bulb is aiming light. By clicking this button to adjust the aiming brightness, one is weak, the second is brighter, and the third is particularly bright. Generally, the fist can see the red blood silk, but it is not clear when it is too bright. Here is the number of laser output after this boot up. Here is the total number of laser output from this instrument. Click on the start button, step on the foot, the laser starts to output, loosen the foot, and the laser stops output. If the parameters are inappropriate and need to adjust the parameters, they need to return to the suspension state to adjust. For example, increase the energy or pulse width a little, click again to start, and treat again. This is the operation method of 980 removing red blood cells.